Hi, this is Andy Turner, the Education Technologist at Illinois College. Today I wanted to show how to use the Smart Notebook software. I've downloaded Smart Notebook 11, and we do have licensing for the Smart Notebook software. I have loaded it to my laptop here in Parker 137, and I just used the blue cable coming out from the back of the smart board, and I've also had to connect the serial cable coming from the back as well. And there will normally be a computer down here that's already attached for you to use, and there will be a wireless keyboard up top above the VCR here. So the Smart Notebook, what you basically need to know is just to start the Smart Notebook Smart Notebook software on the computer, and I've done so. So basically, there's several pins on the bottom, and as you can see, as I move over here and release, there's a little weight sensor. That's pretty cool. That'll help you select different colors and things. And there's also an eraser, believe it or not. So I'll go ahead and use black, and then I have the Smart Ink Note up here, and what determines if you use the mouse or the pen is like this. So if I wanted to launch a software program on Windows, then I would be able to use the mouse like so if I bring up the command prompt or something like that. So probably if you wanted to use the pen instead, you would just run like this, and that would use the mouse, so instead you would be able to go up here into the Smart Notebook area, and then you'd be able to write onto the board. So that's very nice. And if you wanted to move the mouse, this window is such that it knows if I go into the white area in the bottom, then I can write. But if I move the top, it's a mouse that I can move that window around in Windows. So that's very nice. I can just throw that over there and then bring up my my calculator app or whatever it is that I have over here. So then on the computer, I can use something like a calculator app. So I'll go ahead and bring that up really quick. And then if you're using a scientific calculator application, you can move that to the right, obviously, and then this to the left, and then you could run a function with the calculator and with the pen, so that you could show both. Now notice when I touch here, I'm not using the Smart Notebook window anymore. I'm using a regular Windows window, so that it's going to think I want to write on the app, so to speak, on the application. So I have to go back over here to mouse, and now when I'm using the mouse, I can actually touch here and use things like that. So I wanted to press the number 7, 8, so on and so forth. Now if I have this writing above there and I want to get rid of it, there's an eraser, and then you can just, the Smart Notebook software knows that I'm going to want to erase things, and then you have to lift up and touch new windows. And so that's basically how the smart board works. Pretty nice. 137 here in Parker, and also next door there's one in 138. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful. The computer will be repaired and brought down here, and then there will be a wireless remote that you can, or wireless keyboard and mouse that you can use up here. And then if you want to plug in your own laptop like I've done, we'll just need to load the Smart Notebook software, and then we have activation codes for that I think we have available. Thanks a lot.